This is a video for the Piggy Bank Alexa skill, which is for the life hack hackathon or competition for skills. This actually could have been for the kids. That's kind of what got me inspired to doing a skill. However, didn't know about it until too late, so I did it for the life hacks. And this actually is a pretty good one. So what this skill allows us to do is create accounts that kids, you can put money into, take money out of. It's not real money, it's fake money. It's just, it's a way of keeping track of things. So Alexa, ask Piggy Bank.
You do not have any piggy banks. Use the create piggy bank phrase to get started.
Create Piggy Bank for Scott.
You have created a piggy bank for Scott.
Add $40.
Added $40. Scott now has $40.
Subtract 30 cents.
Subtracted 30 cents. Scott now has $39.70.
When you enter dollar values and cents values, you can only do them one at a time. You can't tie them together. Like you can't say add $30.50.
What do you want to do?
Set balance to $3.
Scott now has $3.
You can also create multiple accounts. Create account.
What do you want to do?
Create account for Christina.
You have created a piggy bank for Christina.
Set balance to $50.
Which piggy bank?
Christina.
Christina now has $50.
So when you only have one account, all the actions like add and subtract automatically know it's that only account. But when you have multiple accounts, it then prompts you for the name, or you can say the name. Add $40 to Christina.
What do you want to do?
Add $40 to Christina.
Added $40. Christina now has $90.
Subtract $30 from Scott.
Subtracted $30. Scott now has negative $27.
That's about the way things usually go. List accounts.
Here are your two piggy banks. Scott has negative $27 and Christina has $90.
Remove Scott.
The Scott piggy bank has been removed.
List accounts.
Christina has $90.
The next version 2 will have automatic allowances and
Christina
updates.
now has $0.
Okay. Take care. Cancel.
Okay.
Alexa, ask Piggy Bank for help.
You can create multiple piggy bank accounts using the create piggy bank phrase. Then you can add or subtract money from the accounts, or list or remove them.
Stop. And that's it. I hope that's helpful.